Selecting the perfect best wood lathe transforms your woodworking journey from frustrating limitations to limitless creative potential. The right lathe becomes the cornerstone of your workshop, enabling everything from delicate pen turnings to massive bowl projects with precision and reliability. Whether you're crafting intricate Japanese wood carving details or turning functional pieces, the lathe you choose determines the quality and scope of projects you can tackle. Modern wood lathes offer sophisticated features that were unimaginable just decades ago. Variable speed controls, powerful motors, and precision-engineered components work together to create machines capable of handling the most demanding projects. This comprehensive guide examines the top-performing lathes available in 2026 based on independent research, helping you understand which features matter most and avoid common purchasing mistakes that could limit your wood-turning potential. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best wood lathe, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wood lathe from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the Jet 12X21 Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe. The Jet JWL 1221VS is reported to offer exceptional performance with its 1 HP motor and innovative control system that provides unmatched user experience according to independent reviews. The 12-inch swing capacity and 21-inch between centers distance are known to handle most wood-turning projects effectively, making this an ideal choice for serious hobbyists and professionals based on our research. Next on our list is the Powermatic 20X35 Variable Speed Lathe. The Powermatic 3520C is reported to represent the pinnacle of lathe engineering, with its 20-inch swing capacity and 2 HP motor that handles the largest projects with ease according to independent reviews. This professional-grade machine is known to provide unmatched stability and precision, making it the preferred choice for serious woodturners and production shops based on our research. Coming in at number 3 is the WEN 12-inch by 18-inch Variable Speed Lathe. The WEN LA3424 is reported to provide excellent value for money with its 4.5 amp motor and comprehensive accessory package that enables immediate project work according to independent reviews. This versatile lathe is known to handle everything from pen turning to medium-sized bowls while maintaining affordable pricing for budget-conscious turners based on our research. At number 4, we have the Rikon Power Tools VSR MIDI Lathe, RIC 70 to 150 VSR. Heavy yet comfy to use for a more modern lathe, Rikon has something to offer. The RIC 70 to 150 VSR has top-of-the-line features such as digital RPM readout. It has a 1 HP DC motor that is capable of producing ample power for various tasks. Users also noticed how smoothly this power tool performs on every turn. This is due to the ball bearing construction that assures a more precise spindle operation. It also has a pivoting belt cover that gives hassle-free access when altering belt speeds. So, if you want to experience a lathe with utmost precision and handling, you must definitely go for this. Aside from that, you will be amazed at how you can move the controls freely. Although this is a bit heavier compared to its counterparts, the ample power and ergonomic grip that it gives will make you not notice its weight at all. Last, number 5, Powermatic PM 2014 14x20 Benchtop Woodworking Lathe 1PH 115V 1,792,014. Inverter motor rocks. Powermatic knows how passionate people are in woodworking, so producing high-quality machines is what they do. The same goes with their woodworking lathe. The PM 2014 is a one-of-a-kind lathe that has a combination of sleek looks and functionalities. The brand has a century of reputation in the woodworking industry, which is very evident in this product alone. This particular model is well loved by professionals due to its performance. It has a strong 115V inverter motor under its belt. When it comes to convenience, this will not let you down as well. It has a magnetic control box with a digital display for better efficiency of work. The indexing process also becomes more manageable with the help of the 24 positive locking indexing positions. Organizing stuff becomes easy as well because of the tool caddy that is attached to this machine. You can put your wrenches, centers, accessories, and other stuff. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.